is the 10th model, or this is the last model in conversion from isometric view to orthographic view. So again in this view also the direction of the front view, top view and side views are not shown. Again it is left to your imagination. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಯಾ V5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಯಾ. So as I told you, whenever you start CATIA, by default it starts with the product. Close this product first, then go to start, mechanical design, then part design. So as soon as you select the part design, then it will ask you to enter the part name. So if you want to enter, you can enter, or else you just press OK. So whenever you press OK, so you observe 3 perpendicular planes at the mid of this screen. This is called as 3D space. In the specification tree also there are 3 planes are there. So now go back to 3D model drawing. So now for this I'm going to start this from the top side. From this plane I'm going to start this model on this plane. So now I'm going to select this top plane here. So this top plane, again I'm selecting the sketcher mode. So whenever I enter into a sketcher mode, again I will look into the model drawing. So I'm going to start from here. I will draw like this. So this one I'm going to draw on the top plane now. So like this. Again I'm selecting the profile toolbar. I'll start from here. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವ್ಯೂ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೋ ಆ ವ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ನಾನು ತೆಗಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು. ಆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ 3D ಮಾಡೆಲನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ದ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ this distance from here also it is given in the drawing. Overall height of it is given. Right. Now from here to here the overall length I can enter here. This one also I can enter here like this. Then from here to this line, this dimension I'm going to give now. So now go back to the 3D model drawing. So now you change the dimensions, this default dimensions as per the dimensions given in the 3D view now. So this is 80 and this is 20 and this distance is 5. 80, 20 and 5 now. So this is 80. I'll type it as 80. This is 20 and this short distance is 5 now. I'll enter this as 5. Right. Again go back to 3D model. This overall length is given 50 and this between length is 20. So I'll give that one also. This overall, this is from here to here at 50 means now you give 45 here, because already 5 I have given here. Total overall length is 50 now. Right. And this I'll give it as 10 now. It's given in the model. This not 10, this is 15 I think. It is 20, sorry, this is 20. So this dimension I'll enter it as 20. Right. And if this is 20, this is 15 and this is also 15. So I'll enter this as 15. If I enter this as 15, by default it will remain as a 15, and this distance is given as 10 here. So now this I'll enter it as 10. So now this sketch is completely green and this is perfect sketch. So this is fully constrained sketch, or you say this is ISO constrained sketch. Go to tools, sketch analysis. So check once it is completely closed, then it is ready to apply the pad option in the part design. exit from here. So go to the pad option, then you observe what is the total height of it. Total height is given as 20 now. So press the pad option, enter in the pad, it is 20. By default it will come as 20 only, leave as it is and press OK. It is 20 now. And there is a one more the feature here it is there. So how you are going to draw this like this now, it depends again on the plane which plane you are going to select. In between there is no plane, but you need to construct one plane. So that is 30 mm away from this face. ಈ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಂದ 30 mm ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So now I am going to construct the plane. So go to plane, select this face. So it is coming outside. So press reverse direction and enter here 30. Okay, right? So I have constructed one plane from this face to 30 distance away. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕೀಗ, this shape. So now I am going to draw that shape. I am going to this plane, select sketcher. Now you are entered into a sketcher. So now what I will do is so now go to the 3D project. Instead of 3D project, now you go to intersection and just select this face, right? So now this is you have intersected it, you get one line here. Go to profile, from this point select here, from here like this and select this, then you off this. So now you need to give the dimensioning. Now this height is 25, this is 10, and from here to here it is 20. 25, 20 and 10. You need to give this dimension now. So I'm going to give the dimensioning. From here to here it is 25 is given. 25 it is. This height is given as 10. I'll take this as 10. Enter. And again from this point to this distance it is given as 20 now. This point in the ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 20 distance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Double click, change it to 20. So this is the shape now. So this is completely green. Perfectly the sketch is fully constrained. If you want to check whether it is closed or not, go to tools, sketch analysis. So it is completely closed now, right? Then it is ready to pad it. So exit. Now you need to pad in this direction. You check what is the thickness of it. The thickness is given as 20 now, right? So pad it. So this is 20 direction, press it. Okay, see, this is your model now. So just you hide this plane, right? This is the final model. For this you need to draw the drawing. How you are going to make the drafting? Go to start, mechanical design, part design. Sorry, it's not a part design. Start, mechanical design, then drafting it is. So it will take some time to open the drafting. Yes, then press OK. Now select the front view option, then go to window, select part 1. Now I am selecting this as the front view. I'm selecting this as the front view here. Press it here. So for this you need to draw the top view. I'm selecting this as the top view here. Then from here you need to select here as the right side view now, like this, right? So now you need to give the dimensioning. To give the dimensioning, I told you first you hide this blue colored horizontal and vertical line. Hide this point also you can hide it. Now in this one you need to give the dimensioning. How we are going to give the dimensioning? Double click on this. So now I'm going to give from here to here what is the dimension there. This is 80. This one also you can give the dimensioning is 20. From here to here this is the 25. This is the dimensioning, right? Then next one you go to the top view, double click on this. So you need to give the dimensioning in the top view. So you make that view as active by double clicking on the frame, display frame. Again select both horizontal vertical blue color lines, hide this one also. If you want, you can hide this point as well. So then next you have to give the dimensioning. Now how we are going to give the dimensioning? Now I'm giving, so overall distance is given. Now I'm giving from here to here. What is this dimension? This is 20. And next I'm giving what is this one is 45, or else whatever the drawing is given, the same dimension if you want to give, you can give it from here to here. So this is 50, and this one if you want to give, you can give, this is the, here it is 20, and from here to here you have to give this dimension as 10, and this thickness if you want, you can give this thickness also as 20 here, right? So this is the one thing you have to give. So now after this you have to give the dimensioning in the right side view. Double click on the right side view. So just you pull this right view and scale and the bottom line, then you have to select this blue and this blue and hide this. Now if you want, you can hide this point as well. Then here you need to give the dimensioning. Then go to the dimensioning, you select, so this one as 10, right? And overall height of it you have to give, that is there already, that is 25, and from this point you have to give, this is 20 dimensioning, right? So this is the drawing of the 15th model. Now you have to hide the frames. Now display frames, right click, select all the views from the specification tree, right click to and enter into the properties. Here you switch off the display views and frames, press OK. See, this is the drawing. Now you select all the views, change the font size from 3.5 to 5 to look it very clear there. So right, this is the perfect drawing of the 15th model.